Holly, do we have to? Yes, Ben. Nanny Plum says I won't get better at my magic unless I practice. But why do you always have to practice on me? Hold very still, Ben. Oh, no! That's not what I meant to do. I've turned Ben into a frog. Holly has turned Ben into a frog, and now she's riding around on him. Poor Ben. I'll like you as a frog, Ben, but it's time for a change. Stay very still. Alakazam, Alakazak. Bring my best friend Ben back. Did it work? Ben? Ben! Oh, no! That's not Ben! Oh, no! It looks like Holly turned Ben Frog into Ben Frog surprise Play-Doh eggs. Holly, would you like some help opening those surprise eggs? Oh, yes, that would be lovely. We better let Holly take a break from magic while we open these surprise Play-Doh eggs. I wonder what we have inside. A Toy Story chocolate surprise egg? This is gonna be fun. Let's see what we have in here. Ooh, that was really hard to break. Oh my gosh. You know what, guys? We have a little baby Rex. How cute. We pop his little tail on. There he is. Hey, Rex. Hey, Amy. No Ben in here. I don't know where Holly sent him. So, Rex, you haven't seen Ben anywhere? Nope, I haven't seen him anywhere. Well, let's see what's inside this egg. Ooh, I know what this is. A Peppa Pig blind bag. Let's take a look and see who we got. It's George. Get back here, George. Aw, that's really cute. George, do you have any idea where Ben could be?
I don't, but you could ask my sister Peppa. She's quite smart.
Okay, thanks. Maybe there'll be a Peppa Pig in this egg, and we can ask Peppa if she has seen Ben. Nope, no Peppa here. We have a Thomas the Train chocolate surprise egg. Check it out and see which train is inside. Or I guess it doesn't have to be a train. It could be a different character. Let's see. I think it's James. Let's see. Here are all of the different trains that you can get in these eggs. Well, except for Harold. Harold is a helicopter. And we got James. James, have you seen Ben? No, I haven't seen Ben anywhere. I'm beginning to worry that we're not going to find Ben anywhere. This Play-Doh egg is a little different than the others. Did you guys notice what was different? Let's see what's inside. There he is! It's Ben! Oh, Ben, I'm so excited you're back. Whew, I'm excited too, Holly. Let's take a break from magic for the rest of the day, shall we? Yes, Ben, sounds lovely. Let's go play on our slide.
Another video, that's the end.
Come back soon or we'll miss you, friend.
DCTC.
We do toy reviews,
DCTC.
And we play with Play-Doh too.
skits, pranks, eggs and toys.
We make videos for girls and boys.
That's right.